Hello and welcome back to another CloudTAK training. Today's lesson will be a little more informal. We're going to walk through how to add map features within CloudTAK. The goal here is to understand how to add things to the map, which generally fall into three categories, which are points, lines, and shapes. So if you haven't already, open CloudTAK by going to map.cloudtak.gov and signing in with your CloudTAK login. If this is your first time logging in, you'll be prompted to create your call sign identity. Go ahead and do that. And you may also be asked to choose a base map. Before we start adding features, check your channel settings. Make sure you're only sharing your location on the appropriate channels for your mission. For example, I'm staying on DFP-COE, and I'm ensuring that all of my map channels are turned off. All of your map creation tools can be found under the pencil icon in the top right corner. That menu contains options for adding different types of map features, which today we're focusing on points, lines, and shapes. So to add a point, select the Draw Point tool. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see 5 shape options. I recommend using one of the 4 standard TAK shapes, like the yellow clover, since they're recognizable across all versions of TAK. Click once on the map to drop your point. Now you can select it, hit edit, and drag it to refine its location. Click anywhere on the map to exit the edit mode. Next, let's name the feature. So open the radial menu, click the details icon at about the 6 o'clock position, and type in your name. For example, Mission Point 1. Press enter to save it. You can also copy coordinates, add notes, or share this point with others. To draw a line, open the same pencil icon menu and choose Draw Line. Click once to start your line. If you only need a straight line from point A to point B, double-click to end it. If you'd like to create a more complex path, single-click to drop vertices and double-click when finished. You can select the line, hit edit, and drag the line to reposition it. In the details page, when renaming the line, remember to hit enter after typing to ensure the name saves correctly. For example, Mission Line 1. If you wish to change the line styling, click within the line color box to use the RGB sliders to change its color. Leave the line style as solid, but you may adjust the line thickness or line opacity. If you ever need to remove a feature, just select the feature and select the trash can within the radial menu. Next, let's draw a polygon. This works similar to the line tool. Click once to start, then continue clicking to create sides. To finish the shape, either double-click or click back on the starting vertex. Once drawn, you can edit and reshape the polygon by dragging its vertices. You can even add new vertices by clicking between existing ones. In the details page, name your polygon. Add any remarks about the area, such as search parameters or notes. You can also customize the style, so adjust the border color using the RGB sliders or eyedropper tool, change the line thickness or opacity, and set the fill color, ideally with some transparency so you don't obscure underlying map details. The last feature I want to cover in this video is the range rings. This one works a little bit different compared to adding shapes to the map. And what we're going to do first is drop a point where you want the center of your range rings to be. For example, I'm going to do this near Colorado Mountain College. Now open the point's details and copy its coordinates to the clipboard, and then you can delete that point. You'll see why we need this in a second. Open the range rings tool, name your set, and paste the coordinates as the origin points of the range rings. Then define the ring diameters. I'm going to do 1 mile, 2.4 miles, and 3.2 miles. You can change the unit of measurement, but make sure that each ring is larger than the next. Click Save, and CloudTAK will generate the rings in order around your chosen center. Under the hamburger menu, select the Saved Features tool. It's indicated by a map marker icon. This menu lists every feature currently on your map, so points, lines, and shapes, separate from your overlays. Click a feature to pan directly to it. You can open its details to rename it or edit it, and you can even view recently deleted items and restore them if needed. For example, if you accidentally deleted a line, you can select it in recently deleted and click the restore icon to bring it back. Lastly, to delete multiple items at once from the map, use the lasso select tool. So click the pencil icon, click the lasso, and then single click anywhere on the map to start drawing an area where you can use your mouse to then trace around the features that you want to select and end the shape with a double click or by connecting back to your start point. Everything inside the area will be selected. You can then select the 3 dots and click delete features to remove them. If you deleted items like AVL tracked vehicles or other TAK users' markers, just know that as soon as they report their location again to the TAK server, they will reappear on your map. That covers everything for today's lesson on adding map features in CloudTAK. We reviewed points, lines, shapes, range rings, and feature management. Thanks for watching. As always, if you need additional help, reach out to us at cotak.gov/support.